Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the upcoming feature Discord Orbs. This is the new currency that is coming to Discord very soon, which will allow you to purchase different things such as Discord shop items and Discord Nitro. Now, recently, a few days ago, there has actually been a marketing campaign ad that got leaked. Now, before I dive into all the new features that Discord Orbs brings, let's check out this really cool campaign ad. So that is the campaign ad that got leaked 5 days ago, and man, in all honesty, that looks like one of the coolest videos that Discord has ever released. Like, the music is so fire. But anyways, let's actually just quickly break down this video here and see what we got. So it says introducing Discord Orbs, and then let's just see what else. Oh, here we go. So you get complete quests. So it says complete quests, and you gain. Looks like you gain orbs for completing quests. Let's see. And then look at that, you can claim Discord Orbs. And then after you claim it from the quest, so earn orbs, there we go, look at that. Get Nitro and other items in the shop. This is absolutely massive. And now the prices of these things actually have been leaked on Discord previews, which I'll be going over right after this video. But I just want to quickly finish going through this. So firstly, we can see here Nitro credit. You could buy Nitro credit. We can see here an Orbs badge. So they are going to be adding a badge for your profile that looks like an orb. And it actually looks pretty clean compared to other badges. It looks better than their quest badge, if I had to argue that. So that's really awesome. Not sure how much that will be cost. Looks like we have an avatar decoration here. We actually have 2 of them. Actually, we have 3 of them. So you could buy any of them. And then cat ears here is actually one that's already in the shop. So I guess you could buy... I don't know if they'll only allow certain ones to be purchased, or if you'll be able to buy all of them, but we'll obviously find that out. And we can also, we can actually see here, they say Orbs exclusive right here, Orbs exclusive. So I'm not sure if that means that, I guess you cannot buy it with money, you could only buy it with orbs kind of thing. And actually, that actually looks like the case here. We can see that on these cards, there's actually a money symbol, and on these cards that says Orbs exclusive, there's actually no money symbol. So you actually might not be able to buy it with money, just straight up with orbs. So that is that. Okay, we got his hand here. I guess he's just choosing which one. Nitro credit. Without spending a dime. So they just want to, I guess, reiterate that in the video, in this little trailer here. You know, you don't have to spend any money. So this is an amazing thing. Like, there's never been anything like this on Discord, aside from, like, their promotions. But even on their promotions, like, you have to have a credit card to claim the Nitro. Right? But this is a way that you don't need a credit card, because you'll just be able to do it in Discord. So you'll just claim it in Discord, similar to, you know, their free days of Nitro through the Discord quest. So this is another way that they're going to basically allow that to actually happen. And if we scroll through this more, there we go. And there's the outro, Discord Orbs. That looks so cool. Like, the whole visual of this trailer is very cool. And once again, this is all from Discord, so complete props to them. Complete acknowledgement. This is not my video, but I just want to show it because it's a very cool video, and we have gotten some early leaks of it. So now let's check out the changes here. So let's go to Discord, and we can see that these are the updates that we know so far from previews. So this is, like it says, this is what we know so far, subject to change. So it says the initial Orbs quest will grant 150 orbs. The Orbs badge will cost 70 orbs, which is not too much, so you'll be able to buy it. So the first time you get orbs, you'll be able to buy the badge for your account, which is pretty awesome. And the Orbs badge, so we can actually see a picture here, so we can see this is just like concept of what it will look like, but it'll look obviously a little bit different than this, but this is sort of the concept of what it would look like. And we can see here 3-day Nitro credit will cost 1,400. So that's a lot of orbs for 3 days of Nitro. That's not, that's a lot of orbs. So depending how fast you get orbs, if and how often they have orb quests, this will determine whether 1400 orbs is a lot or not. It's hard to say. Considering the Pondering Portal deco will be 3500. I'm not sure if that'll take a long time. If you only get, like, I don't know if every quest only gives 150, because then you have to do, whatever, like 25 quests or something crazy to get, this decoration, which is a lot of quests. That's a lot of quests. Like, at most they release like 5 to 7 quests a month, maybe. So that would take many months to actually save up for, if you did every single quest. But so maybe they'll have different options to get higher amounts of orbs, but obviously we won't know that until it's actually out. And it says here, an average $5 shop item will cost 4,100. So basically, if you save up a little more, instead of buying this Pondering Portal deco, you could actually get a different decoration that's just sort of like the average decorations for an extra 600. And it says not everything from the shop can be bought for orbs. Okay, so that actually just clears up what I just said earlier. So you can't just buy everything with orbs. I guess it'll just be select items. If I had to guess, in the shop, it'll probably be the items that are the most, like, I guess you would say, like, not super exclusive. Like, it's not like a partnership one. It's not like a Valorant one or something like that. It's probably just one that's like in Discord's general categories, like their breakfast category or their spring category, like the ones that are created by Discord, not a partnership, because the partnership ones are more exclusive and more expensive. And it'll probably just be just the avatar decorations, not like any of the effects or anything. But obviously we won't know that until that actually comes out. But nonetheless, though, this is so far kind of what we know. We could actually see there's actually a link here, so you could view what the portal decoration will look like from the orbs. This obviously might change, but this looks probably pretty accurate to what it will probably look like. But obviously we won't know until it's actually out. But that's still a pretty cool thing. Either way, though, I mean, this trailer here is really, really cool, and yeah, I think they're gonna make a lot of happy people with this update. Like, I think there's a lot of people that have wanted something like this, especially with this Orbs badge here. I think there's a lot of people that would really want to get this badge for their profile, because everyone's constantly asking for more badges. It's one of those things on Discord that everyone wants, is just getting as many badges as you want. And honestly, I'm one of them. It is really cool to get, badges. And when there's so many badges that are unobtainable, you always want more to be released that you could get for free. But, I mean, either way, though, once again, this is what we know so far. Really sick video here that was leaked here. Once again, this is all owned by Discord, but I just wanted to show that off. So yeah, that's essentially more free Nitro offered by Discord. Lots of different things. So much potential with this update. I mean, like, just out of left field potential. Like, there's just so many things they could do with this, because it's a free currency. It's like having, you have your free currency and then you have your paid for currency. In this case, the paid for currency would just be your currency. But nonetheless, very, very cool idea. And this looks really sick. Oh, and actually we could see here, look at that. See, start video quest. So it must have been leaked from here, because you could actually view the video here. And actually get the orbs. So that's what the first quest will be. And it says ends October 6th. So I don't know if that hints when they're going to release it. If that means like it'll release in like a few months from now. But maybe, I don't know. Either way, though, that is essentially Discord Orbs and what we know so far about them. And once again, guys, I hit 2,000 subscribers 5 days ago. So there is 9 days left in my free month of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners in my Discord server, which is linked in the description below. So make sure you join my Discord server, because the giveaway will end soon. And it's completely free to join. You just go to the giveaways channel and click on this little icon, and you're already entered. As well as I have opened a staff application for moderator in my Discord server as well. at the same time. So make sure to join my Discord server. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you do like my Discord updates and Discord tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next Discord video. Bye-bye.